welcome to Camrose Vintage Working Day. If you pop on over to the main ring now.
Okay, so before we had bales, of course, everything had to be collected by hand or machine, put in a rick, and then sheeted down, covered down with thatch, and kept there for the winter, or maybe put into a shed. But the baling came in, first of all, the stamps. We had good balers behind the tractors. One of those baler firms was Jones Brothers from Wrexham, and they built thousands and thousands of balers which many West Wales farmers used. But here you can see the bales are going onto the trailer, and two things: when you're driving the tractor, you have to make sure that the bale loader is going to catch the bale. Otherwise, our volunteers are going to have to go and pick it up and put it on the trailer direct. But in a good day, and with a bale sledge behind as well, you could put a lot of bales on the trailer without too much physical effort. Of course, you had to get them off the trailer then, and then put them in the shed where they'd be kept dry over the winter. Some very gentle hands then. They'd be pretty rough. And of course, the other thing that the bales had, and the balers had, was a knotter. In other words, the knot was tied in the baler. The knotter was originally patented in the USA in the 1860s. And of course it revolutionized.
F and a Peugeot CU80 VHV. Please could your vehicles be moved into car park so the steam engines can come through. Thank you.
No, I think they're nearly finished with the bale handling. I think.
means.
No, we know who
Yeah. We've got lottery there. And where's that, Archie? That's at Milford Haven. That's by Grandma and Grandad. What is that?
But some of the local children can't leave them alone. They come in at night. They're not deep burnt this clubhouse down. None of them really back in the car.
It's a
It's 100 week and a
two-person
half.
lift, isn't it? Yeah.
So I got rid of them and
Yeah.
went on to this instead.
Archie's like the Wimborne model engineers.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we've got about a mile of track we've got. You could do
All I'm amazed.
Yes.
Daddy, that one's going.
We're very lucky.
I'm feeling jealous.
Very good.
You're rich in friends.
Yes.
That's what matters.
Yeah, there was someone, so I'm part of the Gauge 1, and there was someone like yourself who was getting older and he wanted to sell his engine.
He mentions them too.
Still no sign of you.
We're down in whatever down here, just put it down again. Right, Loud out, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that. One run in the vehicle, we run outside the vehicle. Push. Back there, the brake. Back that up. I know how it is. Good show. Great. Not even go on, get out. Come with it. Back with the vehicle. Alright. So we take the vehicle. 1.5 minutes. What's back to get it in? 2.5. Now, Is that Coldbath Street?
It is called Fast 3, John. Well done.
Not Coldbath Street.
No, not half past. If you half past 3, you're late.
Okay, at 3:50 or 15:50 or 3:15, straight to you on the big night. How you get on that?
1909 model of a Foster steam engine made in Lincoln. And of course, it's got an excellent name, Old Smoky, as well. So in a few minutes, you'll see it in the ring. A really good example said traffic is a bit of a problem. And here it comes into the ring, and you do a little bit of going around the ring, and the rope is behind for all the children to pull on in a minute. The trailer is modern built, but from the original design. So this would have been a combination of the steam engine and its trailer. This one would have been used for hauling. Other steam engines were used for threshing and various other activities, and they were the motive power for many, many farms. And there we've got Gareth driving it. Where are you, Gareth? There we are. Have you got enough coal and oil on? We're about to get started. And look at the registration number. There are not many of those around. Mr. James's registration number, BE7638. So properly registered, and as I say, 1909 built and owned by Mr. Jeff James of Freystrop, Haverfordwest. So here we are. We will start in a few minutes, lining up all the children onto the rope to pull the steam engine.
And the steamer. Come on, guys, you can do it! Well done, everyone! You beat the steam engine!
So as they leave the ring, please give Mr. Jimmy James and his crew a big hand, firstly for bringing the steam engine here for us to see, and secondly for taking part with the children in the pulling competition. It's these people who are enthusiasts prepared to restore engines and vehicles, previous generations of tractors, etc., which makes this possible. We didn't have preservation idea, we didn't have the preservation work, obviously the money's yeah, I know.
Gentlemen, in the main ring now, we have got the display of classic motorcycles. So you can see them doing a loop of the ring. Come and have a watch. Vehicles, which you may have already seen around the outside of the ring on the show field today.
Camrose show. Right, on the way in here, we have a TR4A. This one was bought brand new, the carpet. Nobody's breaking any speed limits here. Rick and Adino. Rick. Tell us a little bit more about this Dino, please.
Yes, the 1973 2.4 engine, 4 other head cam shafts, and I've had it for 34 years now.
That's fantastic and it looks beautiful. So it gives it
She's a series in 1937, bought by accident nearly 15 years ago. And had two friends. She's still on the road and looking very good.
So besides, did you rebuild this yourself?
Not all of it, no. 20 parts. It was found by Jerry.
Oh, you have a birthday. Excellent. Well, give it a little blip. Brilliant. Thank you. Well, this sounds a bit throaty too.